Next, we have the project management process. So the project management process is planning the work and then working the plan. So because first you need to plan on how to develop the project or how to organize the project, and then you need to work that plan out. So that is a project management process. Few or several steps included in project management process. First is you need to clearly define the project objective, divide and subdivide the project, define the specific activities that need to be performed, graphically portray the activities in a network diagram, and then you need to make a time estimate, make a cost estimate, calculate a project schedule and budget. So these are the things that is important for you to know, because if you're following the project management process, then your project will be in a good conditions, because you plan it well, you have a base plan, definitely you have a guideline to achieve your target. Next, how are we going to control the projects? So first, you need to establish a baseline plan. As I mentioned, you need to have a draft. You need to know where this thing goes. So if you don't have a plan, then you're planning to fail. Okay. For example, in life, every time when you wake up in a very morning, you just need to plan about what are you going to do today. So same goes whenever you want to develop a project. You need to plan out what are you going to do first, and then when it's need to be done, and how is that things going to be done. So these are the things what it meant by develop or establish a baseline plan. Next, monitor the progress. You already have the guideline, you just need to monitor. Either you are doing it well or you're not following it. Okay. Measure the actual progress and compare it to planned progress. As you, for example, your plan, you need to rent all the venues by the month of July, and now it's June already. So you have to measure whether your baseline plan goes accordingly to the actual plan. Okay. Take corrective actions if the project is behind schedule, overrunning the budget, or not meeting any technical specifications. For example, you're supposed to rent the venue on June, but someone else had booked that venue because you're late, or maybe because someone else had come earlier. So you need to come up with a corrective action. You still need to complete that task within July, but you need to go to, and it may be other venues. So you need to come with the corrective actions to ensure that this project does not go behind the schedule. Right, lastly, what is the benefits of project management? First, you satisfy customers. Being in this field as a project management lecturer, as a project manager on our Rainbow Fest, I really love to say that I am really happy when the customer is satisfied. I am really happy when the participants are excited to join, and their feedback after the event, that is something really good. It makes me feel really good. So that is one of the benefits of project management: satisfy customer, become an additional business. Of course, you know that this event management field is actually where you can create a very good business. Okay, so yeah, additional business. Expansion of career opportunities, yes, because it's not only spending on the project manager, but as well as the other department, because you are going to enhance your skills, you're going to develop new skills, you're going to create a new situation, You have lots of experience, so expansions of career opportunities. Okay. Satisfaction on being a winning team yesterday's. Improve knowledge and skills. And when projects are successful, everybody wins. So that is all project management concept. Okay, for this chapter 1, we have ended with chapter 1. I hope that everybody understand the explanation. If you have any question, do ask me at the island or at my Padlet. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum. See you in the next class.